Hello, welcome once again to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we're still going to look at how we can use AI tools to enhance our productivity or help us to work smarter as data analysts. So in our previous video, we tried to generate some sample data from Gemini and ChatGPT, which are, the common AI tools available now. And in today's tutorial, so once you generate the data, if you want to get it, you can just select it and put it in an Excel file. So you can select everything, or even you can export it with Gemini. You can export it to Google Sheets, then download it from there. So let's see how we can export it. But with ChatGPT, because Google has its own sheets, it's possible to export it to sheets. So let's see what it has for us. Right, so this is what it has for us. So we can download it and use it for our analysis. So let me see how I can download this, or I'll import it to Excel. No, let me download to Excel. Right. So you see we've gotten data to do our analysis. So let me open it. Yes. So this is the data that we have. Okay, so back to the tools once again. So what I want to tell the tools is that I want to ask them the kind of analysis that we can perform on this data set. So based on the data generated above, what are some of the analysis and insights that I can draw from? I'll copy same for ChatGPT. So let's look at what Gemini tells us. Okay, so you see Gemini is telling us some of the trends that we can get from the data set. So it says what? Focus categories. Analyze which products generate the most sales. Yes. Then profitability. We can also calculate profitability from it. Then high volume versus high margin. Identify any category with both high sales volume and high margins. Then top sellers, low performing products. Then we can also do sales trend by customer, sales trend by time. Then we can also do sales performance, salesperson's performance. Then we can do average order value, outliers. So you see Gemini has been able to give us some of the analysis or insights that we can draw from the data. So I'll provide the same prompt to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT will also tell us. Okay, so ChatGPT is also telling us that we can do sales performance by salespersons. Then we can do product performance analysis. We can do category analysis, customer analysis, then time series analysis. So basically, you see ChatGPT has even extended it further by doing the analysis for us. So it's telling us that total sales by salesperson. So this is the total sales. Okay, these are just sample insights. All right. So you see ChatGPT has even extended it to, giving us sample of the analysis that we can do. All right. So yes, basically ChatGPT rather give us a more detailed analysis. So you see these tools can really help us as data analysts to learn or even enhance our productivity. Thanks for watching once again, and see you in the next episode.